Okay, this video is for Alpine Android player to connect a 4G SIM slot. A 4G SIM card slot, so you have to insert a 4G data SIM card. Okay, this is a sample for Malaysia Telkom data SIM. Okay, and a 4G antenna. Connect a 4G antenna. Okay. Go to setting, network internet. Okay, first you have to go to SIM card. Prefer SIM for mobile data. You have to search for card 2. You have to choose for card 2. Okay. After that, we show for the 4G online. 4G. Okay. Can go into the YouTube. Can online already. Okay. If your data SIM card is different company, different network, is cannot online. Okay, you have to go to setting, network internet, a mobile network. Okay, select for the card 2. At once, scroll it down. Okay, access point name. Okay, for APN, you have to click for the plus add-on. Okay, you see, can read the name. Okay, this one is more dark. A name APN proceed. Okay, you have to set your own name. Example, if your data network is U Mobile, you have to add on a U Mobile. So just type U Mobile. Okay. APN U Mobile. Okay. Then click on this 3 dot and save. Okay, it will save for the U Mobile APN. If your SIM card network is for U Mobile, you have to choose for the U Mobile. It's got a dot here, you see. So you have to choose for U Mobile. If your SIM card is Telkom, then you have to choose. It's auto choose already for the Telkom. So special for U Mobile or any network, if you cannot online, you have to add on the APN yourself. After add on APN, click 3 dot and click save. After save, you have to choose it. Choose U Mobile. If your data SIM is U Mobile. Okay. So I choose it back Telkom, because my data SIM is just Telkom. Okay, after that back. Okay, if you still cannot online, or after you choose the data SIM network, you scroll it down. Okay, you can reboot your player. After reboot, it's auto online for 4G. Okay, so this is for Alpine INX AX709 or 710, 9-inch or 10-inch 4G full band intelligent navigation system Android player. Okay, go to network internet, SIM card. So make sure the mobile data you choose for the SIM card 2, SIM slot 2. So it will show for the 4G. So click for update. Okay, this is for internet. Okay, for Alpine, buy one bis. Thank you.